Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about photography or just starting your journey, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the world of DSLR cameras and unveiling the top 5 best DSLRs you should consider in 2025. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, we've got something for everyone. So let's get started. Nikon D5600, number 5. Kicking off our list at number 5, Nikon D5600. This camera is perfect for beginners and intermediate photographers looking for a reliable and easy-to-use DSLR. Let's break down what makes the D5600 a fantastic choice. Image quality. The Nikon D5600 boasts a 24.2 megapixel DX format sensor, which means you'll get crisp, high-resolution images. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or anything in between, this camera delivers excellent image quality with vibrant colors and sharp details. Articulating touchscreen. One of the standout features of the D5600 is its fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen. This makes it super convenient to shoot from different angles, whether you're taking a selfie, capturing a low-angle shot, or filming a vlog. The touchscreen also supports touch to focus, making it incredibly user-friendly. Snap Bridge connectivity. Sharing your photos is a breeze with Nikon's Snap Bridge technology. It allows you to seamlessly transfer images from your camera to your smartphone via Bluetooth so that you can share your shots on social media almost instantly. Performance. With 5 frames per second continuous shooting, it's not the fastest out there, but it's more than enough for capturing everyday moments or even some sports action. The 39-point autofocus system is quick and accurate, ensuring your subjects are always in focus. In summary, the Nikon D5600 is a versatile, compact, and user-friendly DSLR that's perfect for beginners or those looking to upgrade from a basic camera. It offers excellent image quality and some handy features without breaking the bank. Sony A73. Number 4. Moving on to number 4 on our list, we have the Sony A73. Now, you might be thinking, wait, isn't this a mirrorless camera? And yes, it is. But it's so good that we had to include it in this list of top contenders for 2025. Full-frame sensor, the A73 is equipped with a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, which means you get fantastic image quality, especially in low-light situations. The larger sensor size allows for better light gathering, resulting in stunning images with great detail and minimal noise. Fast autofocus. Sony has packed this camera with a hybrid autofocus system featuring 693 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection points. This means super fast and accurate focusing, even in challenging lighting conditions or when tracking moving subjects. High-speed shooting. For those who love action photography, the A73 offers 10 frames per second continuous shooting with full autofocus and exposure tracking. Whether you're capturing sports, wildlife, or kids running around, this camera can keep up with the action. 4K video. If you're into videography, the A73 doesn't disappoint. It offers 4K video recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, giving you high-quality footage. Plus, it has features like S-Log 3 and Hybrid Log Gamma for those who want more control over their video color grading. The Sony A7 III is a versatile powerhouse that excels in both photography and videography. Its compact size, incredible image quality, and advanced autofocus system make it a favorite among many professionals and enthusiasts. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is a classic favorite among professional photographers, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. This camera has been around for a while, but continues to be a top choice thanks to its reliability and performance. Image quality. The 5D Mark IV is equipped with a 30.4 megapixel full-frame sensor, delivering stunning image quality with rich colors and impressive detail. It's perfect for a wide range of photography styles, from portraits to landscapes to weddings. Dual pixel AF. One of the standout features of the 5D Mark IV is Canon's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system. This technology allows for smooth and accurate focusing in both stills and video modes, making it ideal for photographers who also shoot video. 4K video. Speaking of video, the 5D Mark IV can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second. While it does have a crop factor in 4K mode, the video quality is still excellent, making it a solid choice for those who need a DSLR that can handle both photos and videos. Durable build. This camera is built to withstand the elements with a weather-sealed body, making it a reliable choice for outdoor and travel photographers. It also has a comfortable ergonomic design that's easy to handle during long shoots. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is a true workhorse, offering exceptional image quality, reliable autofocus, and robust video capabilities. It's a great all-around DSLR for professionals who need a camera they can depend on. The Canon EOS R1. Number 2. At number 2, we have Canon's flagship DSLR, the Canon EOS R1. This camera is a game changer, combining cutting-edge technology with Canon's legendary image quality. Let's dive into what makes the EOS R1 a top pick for 2025. High-resolution sensor. The EOS R1 features a groundbreaking high-resolution sensor, rumored to be around 45 megapixels. This allows for incredibly detailed images with rich colors and dynamic range, making it a top choice for professional photographers who need the best quality possible. Advanced autofocus. Canon has pushed the boundaries with its autofocus system in the R1. It features an advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF system with deep learning AI technology, providing ultra-fast and accurate autofocus. It's perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects, whether you're shooting sports, wildlife, or events. Burst shooting. For those who need speed, the EOS R1 offers an impressive 20 frames per second continuous shooting with full autofocus and auto exposure tracking. This makes it one of the fastest DSLRs on the market, ensuring you never miss a critical moment. 8K video. Yes, you heard that right. The EOS R1 can shoot 8K video, making it an excellent tool for videographers who want the highest resolution possible. It also supports 4K video at higher frame rates for slow motion footage, giving you a lot of flexibility in your video projects. The Canon EOS R1 is a powerhouse camera that's built for professionals who demand the best in both stills and video. Its high-resolution sensor, advanced autofocus, and 8K video capabilities make it a standout choice for those who need top-tier performance. Nikon D850. Number 1. Best DSLR camera overall. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list of the best DSLR cameras in 2025 is the Nikon D850. This camera is a legend in the DSLR world and is often hailed as one of the best all-around cameras ever made. Let's see why the D850 continues to reign supreme. Incredible image quality. The Nikon D850 is equipped with a 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor, delivering stunningly detailed images with a wide dynamic range. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or low-light conditions, the D850 produces images with exceptional clarity and color accuracy. Versatility. What makes the D850 stand out is its versatility. It's not just great for one type of photography, it excels in almost every area. Whether you're into landscape photography, portraits, sports, or even astrophotography, the D850 can handle it all. Its low base ISO of 64 allows for capturing images with minimal noise and maximum detail. High-speed shooting. Despite its high-resolution sensor, the D850 doesn't compromise on speed. It offers up to 7 frames per second of continuous shooting, which can be increased to 9 FPS with the optional battery grip. This makes it suitable for action and wildlife photography as well. 4K video. The D850 also shines in the video department, offering 4K UHD video recording without a crop factor. This means you can take full advantage of the camera's sensor size for cinematic quality videos. It also features slow motion video at 1080p. making it a great choice for videographers. Durable and reliable. The D850 is built like a tank, with a weather-sealed body that's ready to withstand the toughest conditions. It's a camera you can rely on for any shoot, whether you're in the studio or out in the field. The Nikon D850 is a true masterpiece of a camera, offering the perfect blend of resolution, speed, and versatility. It's the best DSLR overall in 2025, and it's easy to see why. If you want a camera that can do it all and do it exceptionally well, the D850 is the one to go for. So there you have it, the top 5 best DSLR cameras in 2025. Whether you're a professional photographer, a videographer, or someone just starting, there's a camera on this list for you. From the user-friendly Nikon D5600 to the versatile Nikon D850, these DSLRs offer something for everyone. I hope this video helped you in choosing the right camera for your needs. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite DSLR, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more photography tips and gear reviews. Thanks for watching and happy shooting. See you in the next video.